Now, as a doctor, you're a natural shoo-in for being part of this campaign, but you're also on record for supporting Obamacare. So what do you think of the botched healthcare.gov rollout and the president's administrative fix that he announced today?
Yeah, the whole Obamacare in concept, there's a lot of very good in the concept itself. The idea that there are 30 million people who do not have affordable access to health care today because they don't have insurance. So the concept has been good. The rollout of it has been an abysmal failure, executed inexcusably poorly. And the president of the United States, who designed the program, it was really under his charge and under his leadership, is going to have an uphill task to turn it around. But what we're arguing about, not to arguing about, what is so difficult today is there's a mandate that's kicking millions of people off their insurance policies today. Hundreds of thousands, and indeed probably 2 million people over the last several weeks and next week are going to receive notices that no longer can they have their insurance policy when the president of the United States looked them in the eye and said, you can keep what you have and you're never going to have to give that up. So obviously that didn't turn out. So we'll see what the president comes up with. Fundamentally, if we can work through this process of computer glitches and ability to register, the concept of bringing uninsured people into the insurance market is a correct one.
When you said that the president looked the American people in the eye and said one thing, but then, of course, it turned out another way, today he said we're going to try to fix that administratively as opposed to legislatively. But do you think there's something legally problematic about the president saying one thing and perhaps knowing that it wasn't going to turn out exactly how that was?
Well, I don't know. It depends on what he's going to do. The proof is going to be in the pudding. Right now, the president has failed. He has failed miserably. The campaign staff or the staff that he put before it has failed miserably. Every American knows it today. The problem is we got millions of people losing their health insurance. Yeah. When he promised that we're going to have millions of people getting our health insurance. So, the president can do it. The American government can do it with the support of the American people. So far, they failed, and they failed miserably. I'm very hopeful. And in fact, I'm working very hard to help them over the next weeks and months to make this thing work.